Collagen for seniors, joint support plus best type to take. Today I'm going to show you everything you must know so you clearly understand how collagen is commonly used, what studies suggest about its role in joint support, and which types older adults often look into. If you've been searching for ways to feel more comfortable moving, or you're curious about which collagen type may support healthy joints, this breakdown gives you answers you can use right now. And because joint stiffness tends to get worse with time, the sooner you understand how collagen works, the faster you can decide whether this supplement is worth discussing with your healthcare provider. Collagen is a protein your body naturally makes, but it gradually decreases with age. Studies suggest that lower collagen levels may contribute to stiffness, slower recovery, and more discomfort when doing everyday movements. This is why many seniors look into collagen supplements as a way to support joint mobility. These supplements don't guarantee results, but some research points to possible benefits such as helping maintain healthy cartilage, supporting flexibility, and assisting the body's natural repair processes. Again, this is general information only and not medical advice. When it comes to choosing a collagen type, most labels highlight either type 1, type 2, or a combination. For joint support, studies often focus on type 2 collagen because it's the primary type found in cartilage. Some clinical research uses forms like undenatured type 2, which is commonly used for joint comfort. Meanwhile, type 1 and type 3 collagen are usually associated with skin and connective tissue, but people sometimes take blended formulas that aim to support more than one area of the body. Each product may work differently depending on its source and manufacturing processes, so reading the label carefully is always important. Another thing many seniors watch for is how the collagen is processed. Hydrolyzed collagen, also called collagen peptides, is broken down into smaller pieces that the body may absorb more easily. This is not a guarantee of benefit, but it's one reason these formulas are widely used. Some supplement labels show amounts ranging anywhere from a couple of grams to over 10 grams per serving. These numbers usually reflect what manufacturers include in their standard products, not a recommendation for you. If you're considering collagen, speaking with your healthcare provider is essential so they can help you understand what's appropriate for your health needs. Now let's talk about side effects. While collagen is generally well tolerated, some people report mild digestive changes such as feeling full, slight bloating, or an upset stomach. A smaller number of users may experience headaches or a change in appetite. Products sourced from fish, chicken, or eggs may also pose concerns for people with allergies, which is why checking the ingredient list is important. If you ever notice unusual or worsening symptoms, stopping the product and talking with your doctor is recommended. Before deciding on any supplement, remember that collagen isn't the only piece of the puzzle. Staying active, getting enough protein, and supporting your bones and muscles through healthy routines all play a role in how your joints feel. Supplements are only one part of a broader approach. This video is for general informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before taking any supplement, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications.